Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites, then trigger AirPlay. Make sure your iPhone and the TV or receiver are on the same Wi-Fi network, because AirPlay uses local networking. Once done, power on the TV or AirPlay device and note its display name. This helps you pick the correct endpoint. Now unlock your iPhone and swipe to open Control Center. On Face ID models, swipe down from the top right. On older phones, swipe up. Tap screen mirroring to see available devices. You'll now select the correct device and establish the link. After tapping the receiver name in screen mirroring, wait a few seconds for the handshake. AirPlay negotiates resolution and audio routing. If the receiver shows a PIN, enter it on your iPhone. This secures the connection. Make sure to choose Mirror iPhone when you want identical output. If an app offers a dedicated AirPlay button, you can stream only that app instead. Keep the phone awake to avoid interruptions while content starts. You're at the finish line. Confirm the screen appears on the TV and test audio. To stop, open Control Center and tap screen mirroring again, or tap the red status bar and choose Stop. If the image lags or stutters, make sure you're on a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, move closer to the router, and close bandwidth-heavy apps. If nothing works, restart both devices, check for software updates on iOS and the receiver, and then retry. This resolves most compatibility or handshake errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.